Hey everybody, this is just a quick video in case you have a Candy brand dryer and you're getting an E4 error and you're wondering what is this E4 error and how can I get rid of it. So first of all, the E4 error is an error on the program selector that it's not able to work properly. And like anything, this could be a problem with the selector or it could be a problem with the control board that's not able to read the selector properly. So this is going to be, most of the time you're going to need to have a technician come and fix this. With these weird electronics issues, before you do that, I would recommend doing a hard reset on the machine to see if it doesn't clear out the error. To do a hard reset, all you need to do is turn your machine off and then unplug it from the wall or turn it off at the circuit if it's hardwired. Just make sure there's no power to it and leave it disconnected from power for a full minute. After that, you can return power to it, turn it on, run a cycle, and see if that didn't clear out the error. So anyways, hope this video at least helps you figure out what's going on and maybe get rid of the error. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.